Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful zigzag pattern. I like it very much. It's so simple but so different looking and so fast crocheting. I promise that. I use cotton yarns here and I use 4mm hook with that. You can choose which proper yarn and hook for you. This is only 4 rows repeating, actually 3 rows because the 4th row is only a double crochet. I will tell you, you will only make double triples and double crochet. You can use this pattern all your projects. For example, you can make blankets. This is reversible. You can make cardigans, shawls, which you want. Bags actually with paper yarn, or cotton yarns. It will be gorgeous, I think. Thanks for your time, for support me and for watch my channel. Thanks a lot, and please don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple but beautiful zigzag crochet pattern. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern you need multiples of 14 plus 2. Okay, first of all I will start with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Not make so tight your chains. Okay, make it a little loosely. Plus 2. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th one. Grab your yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Count this chain 3 for your first double crochet. We made here second one. Next one make one more. Pull through 2, pull through 2. You will make a double crochet in every each stitch. Okay. I will show you a little piece. Of course, you will make your chains for your project. Only be careful that repeating numbers. You will make your chains which centimeter you want to make and calculate about the repeating stitches. This is my last double crochet and I have now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28 double crochet I have. Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and turn my work. Then yarn over 3 times. Skip 1, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make double triple. Chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Count this chain 6, my first double triple. I have 3 now. Chain 1, yarn over 3, skip 1, insert into the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 4. Chain 1, yarn over 3 times again, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitch and insert into the 6th one, grab my yarn and make here single crochet. Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one and make my double triple. count as my first double treble and complete it 5, yarn over 3, skip 1, insert into the next one, make my double treble, chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one, and make the fourth double treble. Here you can see, chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one, and complete the fifth double treble. Chain 1 and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's not important, one stitch less. Insert the last one, join with a single crochet. One less or one more, it's not important. You can close it like that. This is the first rows repeating. If you of course you will have chains here. You will keep repeat again. Chain 6 and skip 1, insert into the next one, and complete your double triples. Okay. Now chain 3, count as your first double and turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook, chain 1 space and make double treble, yarn over, insert into the stitch, make double crochet, yarn over, insert into the space, make double crochet, yarn over, insert into the stitch, make double crochet. You will fill that spaces, 1 in space, 1 in stitch. Here I'm in space, I'm in the stitch. Now when you come to this chain 6, you will make here 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here you have single crochet, you skip that, yarn over and come to space and make your doubles again. 1 in the space, 1 in the stitch, 1 in the space, 1 in the stitch, space, stitch, space, stitch. I come to that chain 6 part, make here 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and complete your row, insert into the stitch and make your last double crochet. You will make 1 double in the space, 1 double in the stitch, make 6 double crochet in chain 6 part, skip that single crochet part. That's the second rows repeating. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my speed from 3 dots on the right of the screen. Okay, don't forget that. We will start the third row actually after that as same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn your work. Yarn over 3 times, skip 1, count as my first double treble, skip next stitch, insert into this is the very first, the second, the third one. Only starting you will make like that, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Left this loop on the hook. Yarn over 3 times again, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Left 1 loop again on your hook. Yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You have 4 loops, pull through all together like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains, skip 1, insert into the next one, join with a single crochet and complete here 5 double treble, chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitch, insert into the 6th one, grab your yarn, pull through two, pull through two, pull through two, and pull through two, make your treble. Chain one, yarn over 3 times, skip one, insert into the next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have 2 triples here. Complete it 5. Yarn over 3 times, skip one, insert into the next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain one, yarn over 3 times, skip one, insert into the next one. Pull through two, pull through two, pull through two, pull through two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have 4 double triple, skip one, insert into the next one, join with a single crochet and complete your double triples 5. Chain one, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here insert and make your double triple. 1, chain one, yarn over 3 times. You will add, you can see that you will add 3 of, here I will show you 2 double triple more. Okay, on the last stitch here I will add 2 double triple, 1, and this is the last one here. We start like that. We start double triples cluster actually. After that, complete that cluster with chain 6, then make here. Always you will make this cluster from the beginning. After you will make your double triples. That's it. You can see that here more here. Make your, look at that here. Make my clusters, 6 chains, join with a single crochet and make my 4 double triple, then chain 6, join with a single crochet, skip 5 stitch, insert into the 6th one and make your 4 triples, then chain 6. Okay, always complete like that and finish this row with 3 double triple. Now this is as same as chain 3 and turn your work, make 1 double in the space, 1 double in the stitch, 1 double in the space, 1 double in the stitch. Here, 1 double in the space. When you come to this single joining, single crochet, skip that. When you come to chain 6, make here 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When I make here 6 double crochet and I come to this cluster, I will make 1 double crochet top of that cluster, then yarn over, insert into that first double triple stop and complete with double crochet. After that you will turn back to your first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains and turn your work. Then yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one and make your double triple, chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one, make your double triple, chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, insert into the next one, make your double triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains, skip 1, insert into the next one, join with a single crochet and complete your 5 triples, chain 1, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one and make your 5th double triple. Chain 1 and skip here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th one, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, yarn over 3 times, skip 1, insert into the next one and keep repeating as same as. This is the 3rd one, chain 1, this is the 4th one, chain 1, this is the 5th one, chain 1 and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the last, the 6th stitch, join with a single crochet. After that, chain 3 and turn your work and do the same thing as same as. You can see here. Always keep repeat like that. You can take a screenshot. I think it will be more useful. Repeat 1, 2, 3 and the 4 rows regularly, and you can which size you want, you can take your desired length. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. And you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.